2022 new Honda Forza 750 will be launched in Thailand to challenge the T-Max 560. From the launch of a new big scooter like the new Honda Forza 750 in Europe earlier, and has created a great buzz both abroad and our own home. Because it is considered the biggest brother in the Forza family, the latest news has been rumored about the possibility of launching in our country by 2021, after the launch of the new XADV 750 in the same class. The new Honda Forza 750 is powered by a 745cc twin-cylinder engine, producing a maximum horsepower of 54 bhp at 6,750 rpm. The scooter is equipped with driving modes, including Standard, which creates a balanced midpoint of engine power, transmission and braking. Including the operation of the HSTC, road traction control system and ABS, sport mode to make the engine power more aggressive and rain mode, suitable for driving in the rain. By adjusting the power, transmission and braking HSTC to suit the situation. All of which work together with the ride-by-wire electric throttle. And a maximum torque of 69 Nm at 4,750 rpm. And a redline at 7,000 rpm. Passed the Euro 5 standard successfully. Supply oil with injection system, engine power, transmission system, throttle by wire, driven by a 6-speed DCT gearbox, selectable both automatic and manual shift, final transmission by chain. Honda's Forza 750 Maxi scooter scores with its combination of scooter convenience and real bike fun, proving to be an excellent balance of both in Singapore. If you've ever wanted the excitement of a proper big motorcycle coupled with the intensely practical nature of a scooter, the Honda Forza 750 might be the way forward. Other features of the bike will consist of suspension upside down 41mm upside down front. The rear is a mono shock and Pro-Link, twin disc brakes, 4-piston calipers, Nissan, ABS brakes both front and rear, storage space. Under the seat size 22 liters, USB charging compartment, LED lighting system around the car, smart key, remote key controlled the car's power switch, unlock and open the seat. Scooters are wonderful in Singapore. You can get anywhere double quick. They're efficient and cheap to run, but if anything they're practical to a fault and can be as exciting to ride as a vacuum cleaner. We previously reviewed the Honda Forza 300, a Class 2A scooter which is now a popular choice in Singapore due to its user-friendliness and extreme fuel efficiency, while injecting a little sportiness against the scooter blandness. But its big brother, the Forza 750, is quite a different beast, even if it shares the Forza name. This is truly one of the bikes That takes the scooter motorcycle hybrid idea to the best place it's been so far. The Forza 750 is a new machine, but in essence it replaces the Honda Integra scooter, the NC 750D, part of Honda's North Carolina lineup, although it's actually codenamed NSS 750 and no longer categorized as a North Carolina. Like the Integra, the Forza shares common architecture, frame, engine, as the more popular North Carolina series of bikes, including the NC 750X. Like the NC 750s, the Integra didn't catch on. For the NC 700S, it wasn't an adventure-styled bike. For the Integra, it was its middling nature. With a boring appearance and performance, it wasn't motorcycle-y enough for bikers. On the other hand, it also wasn't convenient enough for scooterists, with little storage space under the seat. The Forza 750 sees Honda flexing its design muscle a little, so its image isn't utterly bland, but a nice blend of executive and sporty. Regarding that first bit, it's common for scooter riders in European metropolises to wear a suit and ride to work, and one wouldn't look totally out of place in office wear on it, thanks to the Forza's sharp lines. The LED headlights with integrated indicators make for a streamlined appearance, while the high bridge between the seat and front imply more sportiness and backbone than a regular scooter. Honda's impeccable build quality means all of the details and parts stand up to close inspection, and unlike the corporate world, you can't see any signs of cost cutting. As standard these days, the bike has a 5.0-inch TFT color screen, controlled by the left handlebar pod. Visibility is excellent, it has an auto day-night mode, and you can choose between 4 display themes. The flat, wide handlebars look sporty, and the handbrake is especially clever. Flip out the nicely finished metal lever, and it covers the starter switch. Speaking of which, the Forza has a very convenient keyless start feature too. There's also impressive running gear, which includes dual radial mount brakes, big wheels tires, 120/70th 17-inch front, and 160/60th 16-inch rear, and 41mm upside-down forks, and that spells for a bike that looks like it means more than business. Firing up the Forza 750 brings a surprise. It sounds like a V-twin. While parallel twins are known to be as exciting as listening to Kenny G, the Forza's engine has a 270-degree firing order. So like the current BMW F800 and F900 series bikes, it sounds much more roary and exciting, and feels it too with a slight lump instead of buzzy, vibration-less running. The Forza packs Honda's dual-clutch transmission, which goes some way to combining the best of automatic, convenience, smoothness, and manual, fun, efficiency, gearboxes. There are 4 ride modes: standard, sport, user, and rain, which toggle the electronics variables: throttle by wire, engine power, transmission, ABS, traction control, and engine braking accordingly. Hit the throttle and the clutch locks up immediately, delivering the bike's full 58 horsepower with immediacy a CVT scooter can't match. That said,